What's going on? Frank Smith here, FrannumanTM, as you see on YouTube, and we're blowing some more stuff up. Today, we have a little shark toy. Horror. And, yeah. Got a little tease on you, he's gonna bite you. But yeah, and, yeah. I'm not in the mood for fucking anything right at the moment because I'm fucking practically sick. But yeah, hi. Don't fuck around on me today. Come on! Oh my god, it's about fucking time. What? Oh, gay. Gay! Fucking gay. That was horse shit. That was so fucking stupid. Fail!